When Zimbabwe teetered on the edge in 2017, one man held the balance of power and refused to keep it. Sabina Mashukobra Pangwana Chinzi, Chiwenga could have taken power, but walked away. The general, who chose honor over rule, Sabina Mashoko Arua Pangwa Ire, Ajitora Pansuru Retired General, VP Constantino Chiwenga, now the Vice President. Not to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Jipina Panapampo Truth. Or truth in Obuda Pangwa Inoi, Jona Kiosi as it is unfolding in the ruling partisan PF, North Sugar Ishiti. Retired General Constantino Chiwenga, the military figure at the center of the nation's defining moment, stand mainly by stepping aside instead of stepping in. Yet the authority, the influence, and the opportunity to claim the presidency, but he didn't. Rather than tighten his grip, he handed power over a move critics underestimated, but history may yet applaud. He could have broken ranks and turned against Emerson Mnangagwa. Instead, he remained steadfast. He could have indulged in the temptations of power. He chose restraint. In a political landscape often defined by ambition and excess, Chiwenga's actions spoke of discipline, loyalty, and principle, not the traits of a strongman, but of a statesman. As Zimbabwe continues its journey, his legacy stands as a reminder. True leadership is not about taking power, but knowing when to let it go. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ino arikono kunzi as Zimbabwe iri mu chaos yenawo ye succession inawo dzema extension nawo dzema amendments pangwa ino people in everyone they are being reminded kuti we must know when to let the power go. Pina kuma section medu zofumira imo to liba mzara pechitko each musangana subscribe or like up on the bell icon.